Hi, I'm Karen. We're here at Montavilla Sewing Center, and today we're talking about the Baby Lock Triumph serger. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take care of your machine. Now, you should get the lint cleaned out regularly out of your machine, but it is a good idea for this kind of machine to bring it in once a year to have it cleaned, oiled, and they do a great job here with the technicians. But I'm going to show you how to take care of your machine on a regular basis. So to start out with, I took the needles out and the foot off, so those are out of the way. And then we can open this up here. Now for regular cleaning, just keep brushing things off. This here is a nice, beautiful brush that comes with your machine. Brush things off and turn your hand wheel so that you can get the different parts. You can also use your vacuum cleaner hose attachment and clean in there really good. That's another good way. And then open this side door here. You can clean even more. Now I'm going to show you over here. If you push this little knob right here, it moves the knife out of the way so you can clean any lint that's between the two blades there. Okay, so for cleaning the feed dogs, I'm going to show you how to do that. So to start out with, we want to do three things. We want to disengage the knife, so you turn the lock, so it says lock, that puts the knife down. Then we want to take the upper looper out of the way. So you do that by, you turn your hand wheel until that upper looper is out of the way. Then we want to also put it into rolled hem, and what that does is it moves that little stitch finger out of the way like that. Okay, so now we're going to take the needle plate off. With those things out of the way, it's easy to do. So to start out with, undo this screw right here, using the screwdriver that comes with your machine. Then the Allen wrench screwdriver, we undo this screw right here. And once, you don't have to take the screw all the way out, just kind of loosen it a little bit. And at that point, you can take this off. Now notice that I had this door open. You need to have the door open in order to take the needle plate off because of this flange right here. Now at this point, we can go in and clean around the feed dogs really well. As I said, you can use your vacuum cleaner, but don't use canned air. The thing about canned air is when you spray canned air, if you spray it long enough, you can end up with a little bit of frost on your machine, and that's not a good idea. Also, the canned air does tend to blow lint further back in your machine instead of pulling it out. So, but usually just the brush is just fine. Okay, so let's put this back on here. Put that right there, and notice I have the presser foot up. I'm going to retighten this here. Now, after I've got that tightened, this does have a little bit of play. I don't know if you can see that, but what I'm doing is I'm making sure that the feed dogs are evenly spaced right around the needle plate there. The importance of that is mainly so that your needles don't hit or touch the needle plate, because you don't want your needles wearing out too soon. I doubt if they'd actually hit it, but they might touch it, so you want to make sure that that's just right. And that's another one of those things, if you feel unsure about doing this, the technicians here, if and when you bring it in, can do that for you. So that's basic maintenance on this machine. That's about all you need to do. Make sure you do it regularly. I would say after each project, just go in and brush it out really good with your little brush. That'll make sure that those blades are cutting well and that the lint is not getting into places where it shouldn't be. And it'll look nice too. So, thanks for watching this. I hope this has been a helpful video to you. If it has, give us a thumbs up. And if you have comments or questions, you can leave those in the area down below. We have lots of other videos on this machine and on other machines here on our Montavilla YouTube channel, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.